CMMS certification, career scope, skills, salary, and who should take it. Imagine a manufacturing plant where one unexpected machine breakdown stops the entire production line. Within minutes, companies can lose thousands of dollars due to downtime, delayed deliveries, and reduced productivity. Now imagine having professionals who can prevent these failures before they even happen. That's exactly where CMMS certification becomes valuable. Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to discuss CMMS certification, what it is, who should pursue it, the skills you'll gain, career opportunities, and salary expectations. If you're working in engineering, maintenance, operations, or facility management, this video is definitely for you. Let's start with the basics. CMMS stands for Certified Maintenance Management Specialist. It's a professional certification designed to help maintenance professionals manage equipment, assets, maintenance planning, and operational efficiency more effectively. Many people believe maintenance is simply repairing equipment after it fails, but modern organizations don't think that way anymore. Today, companies focus on preventing breakdowns instead of reacting to them. That's why preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, asset management, and maintenance planning have become critical business functions. A CMMS certified professional learns how to create maintenance schedules, reduce equipment downtime, improve reliability, manage maintenance budgets, analyze maintenance performance, and optimize the entire maintenance process. Now, why is CMMS certification becoming more important in 2026? Industries around the world are adopting automation, smart factories, industrial Internet of Things, predictive analytics, and AI-powered maintenance systems. Companies are collecting huge amounts of maintenance data every day, but data alone doesn't solve problems. They need professionals who know how to interpret that data and make smarter maintenance decisions. That's exactly why employers are actively looking for certified maintenance management professionals. So who should take this certification? CMMS certification is ideal for maintenance engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, maintenance supervisors, plant managers, reliability engineers, asset managers, facility managers, operations managers, maintenance planners, technical supervisors, and even engineering graduates who want to build a strong career in maintenance management. Whether you're just starting your career or already managing maintenance teams, this certification helps you develop practical management skills that employers value. Let's talk about the skills you'll gain. You'll learn maintenance planning and scheduling, preventive maintenance strategies, predictive maintenance techniques, asset lifecycle management, root cause analysis, maintenance KPIs, work order management, maintenance budgeting, reliability-centered maintenance, and leadership skills. These are practical skills that help organizations improve productivity while reducing operational costs. Now comes one of the most common questions. What career opportunities are available after CMMS certification? The good news is that almost every industry needs maintenance professionals. You can work as a maintenance engineer, maintenance manager, reliability engineer, asset manager, maintenance planner, facilities manager, engineering manager, operations manager, or maintenance consultant. Industries hiring certified professionals include manufacturing, oil and gas, healthcare, construction, logistics, aviation, mining, utilities, food processing, and facility management. Let's briefly discuss salary. Although salaries depend on your experience, location, and employer, certified maintenance professionals often enjoy better career progression. For example, maintenance engineers in the United States typically earn between $55,000 and $85,000 per year. Reliability engineers often earn between $80,000 and $120,000 annually, while experienced maintenance managers can earn anywhere between $95,000 and $150,000 or even higher in specialized industries. In countries across the Middle East, professionals working in sectors like oil and gas, power generation, and large manufacturing facilities may also receive benefits such as accommodation, transportation, annual airfare, and medical insurance. So, is CMMS certification worth it? If you're looking to move beyond routine maintenance work and become someone who improves reliability, reduces costs, leads maintenance teams, and contributes to business success, then the answer is yes. This certification helps you build practical skills that are relevant across multiple industries and prepares you for long-term career growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone working in maintenance or engineering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.